In the previous week, we discussed what equilibrium is made of. Optimal consumer and firm decision-making processes given the going market prices, and holding, of course, many other factors fixed. We discussed what demand and supply are, why they look the way they do, and what makes a certain price and a certain quantity optimal for both sides of the market at the same time. We talked about the factors which we held fixed may affect the equilibrium prices and quantities, especially if they start changing. And there are a variety of factors that change all the time, of course. It was good to have this theory week because it laid the foundation for the more applied analysis which comes this week. So this week we'll see that an equilibrium has a large-scale distribution of consequences. We'll see that consumers and firms both gain from trade, but that gain is unevenly distributed. And further, we'll see that sometimes policies may threaten the gains from trade. We'll also see how policies affect market equilibria. The government has a variety of ways to intervene in the marketplace, and we'll discuss both their tools to intervene and the effects from those interventions. Specifically, we'll see the impact of certain policies on the equilibrium prices and quantities. But we'll also discuss how policies change the benefits from trading for both consumers and firms. Some policies end up hurting the consumers more than the firms, or the firms more than the consumers. We'll see why that's the case. During the live classes this week, we'll zoom in on taxation. Once a tax is imposed, there are a number of distributional effects, and we'll see who gets hurt most from taxes and why. We'll also touch on the behavioral issues related to taxation. So, for example, if the government wants to tackle obesity or how much we pollute the environment, how does the government act? How does the government achieve that goal? During the live classes, I'll also summarize the autumn term for you, and we'll give you an idea of the problems you're able to solve going forward. And if there's time, we'll do some student evaluations on how we did in this course. If there is no time, we'll postpone those for the last week. But before that final step in the autumn term, let's dig into the exciting topic about who gets what from equilibrium. Thanks.